testing.
ASMR. Ito ba yung pangkanta?
Salita lang yan.
Anong chismis natin dyan?
Yung girlfriend ko kasi nung nag-iinarte. Sinabi ko sa kanya ng morning, kung kami na-call sa LU. Sabi niya, okay, parang, ano ko, sabi ko tayo.
Ayun lang, testing lang naman yan. Mamaya na tayo magkwentuhan.
What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is me again, Ken, with the 2N, back at here again with another video. Welcome to another travel vlog. Really excited to do this video dahil this is our first time to visit Thailand for their Songkran Festival. We are at Singapore as of the moment. And right now, we're at Changi Airport. Really over kaming 6 hours. So yun, wait lang namin yung flight namin. People are just chilling. Ayan, makikita niyo sila sa likod. Later, let's see each other again. Kung ano pa yung gagawin namin dito, you guys. Hello. So we are already here. Nasa Thailand na kami and just waiting for them, Ro, Kiel, nasa ba si Kiel? Ayun, nasa dulo, to finish their meetings before kami pumunta at mag-check-in sa Rest Hotel. Nantay lang namin sila matapos and then we can rest already. For tonight, hindi pa namin alam yung plan. First things first, we just withdraw money. Salamat naman GCash dahil nakapag-withdraw kami and it's cheaper than the money exchange. Nag-GCash na lang kami dahil mas mura siya. Kaya ang saya. Ang saya pala. Pahinga na tayo. I'll see you guys later. Ulit. Ayan, nasa Thailand na kami. Yeah! We're here at the water room. If you guys can remember, we already visited Water Room few years back. Kaya now, doon na lang kami sa katapat. And actually, meron pang isang area, Ru Temple, din doon sa kabilang side, which is that side. Ayun, nandun sa kabilang side. We'll be having our dinner. We are currently here at View Arun. Ito yung bar na literal katapat talaga ng Wat Arun. Actually, marami pang different bars. Maraming tao actually. Tomorrow, we'll head to Phuket na. And it's Songkran already. Yun. So just enjoy the view. Good meal and good company with these guys. Hello. See you guys later. I'll show you the food and everything else na mangyayari pa for tonight. Let's go.
Mr. Sebastian, what's our food for this evening? Explain.
This is the appetizer platter. We have chicken satay, chicken wings, onion rings, fresh spring roll. This, I'm not sure. We have the shrimp tom yum soup, soft shell crab and curry sauce, pineapple fried rice with shrimp, and chicken fried rice. Good for everyone.
What's the other one in Athens?
It's the sirloin beef and papaya in Thai salad.
Good morning. Umaga na.
Hi. 3 hours na ako nag-iintay. Kanina sabi nila 9 a.m. aalis. Di ready na ako ng 9 a.m. Pero 9 a.m. tulog pa sila lahat. As in.
Alright.
Okay lang naman.
So yun, we're heading to the Asian City. Alas 12 na actually. Check natin kung ano maabutan namin. Oh my God, sobrang init dito. Buti na lang, I have my fan with me. Plus, of course, sasalba sa atin. Ang Grab. Sa daw tayo. And I'll see you guys later sa Asian City. Currently waiting for the food. Order ako ng pad thai kaso food tech ang mahal pala. Na-realize ko ang mahal na. 365. Wrong choices in life.
Okay lang. Babawi tayo next purchase. Babawi tayo sa Monday. Charing, sahod kasi sa Monday. Ito na siya.
50 pesos ay 50 tayo magtapat.
Ang dami sinasabi.
May utang to sa akin 50 tayo.
Okay, let's go. So here at Asian City, you can rent for golf cart as well as bike. It's your option. Pero sobrang dami mong pwedeng puntahan. It's around 122. Actually, they recommend naman places that you may want to visit upon entering. Tara na. Gago, bayawak. Yun, we just finished the Asian City tour. Really excited na to go home, freshen up dahil may flight pa kami later. We have a 10 o'clock flight later. It's a good experience. Wala lang kami group photo, mag-group photo lang kami later. Inantay na kami ni Kuya Grab kung sino yung nakuha namin kanina. Kinausap lang namin siya to pick us up. Sinabihan namin siya na 2 hours lang naman kami dito. Which is so true naman. For 2 hours na nakaikot naman kami. Not all nga lang, medyo nagmadali pa yung iba dahil naman hindi talaga siya kaya ng an hour or 2 hours. We got our tickets from Klook. Ayun, for only 523 pesos. Ayun lang guys. So, photo lang talaga kami literal. Okay, yun lang. Sige, sige. Let's go home. Pad Thai from Tip Samay. Let's go for dinner.
It's life-changing.
Hindi.
Walang manonood sa'yo. It's
Free.
Kumain na tayo. Late na tayo. Hello, so we just arrived at Phuket International Airport and we're looking for a ride right now. Pupunta dun sa Alfresco Hotel and we're excited because it's already sangkat. Yes, alas 12 na po. Opo mga kaibigan. So may option naman pala. Pwede tayong mag-take ng minibus. Pero it's not door to door and pupunuin pa yung bus. We just chose Grab kasi it's more convenient for us. Kasi nga sobrang dami naming dala. Most likely doon na tayo magkikita-kita sa Alfresco Hotel. If not, sa Labdina. If not, sa Songkran na mismo. I'll see you guys. We're at Alfresco and we're ready to go to our next hostel, which is Labdi. Ready na to makipagbasaan. Let's go. Yung bukas pa matatapos yung ikot. We're already here at Lobby and super aliwalas ng place. Ito kami ngayon. Hello. Ayan, nasa poolside kami. Excited kami dahil it's day 1 of Songkran. Hindi pa kami nakakabili ng gear namin, but yun, after namin kumain, for sure, bibili kami ng gear. Meron daw foam party dito sa Lovely at around 2 o'clock. Its agenda is bumili ng gear plus kumain ng madami at kumain pa din ulit. Yun, I'll just show you kung ano yung mga mangyayari today. Exciting times! Day 1! Songkran! Songkran! Sarap yung breakfast mo. Sana kumagat ka na lang sa sili. Standard lang yan.
Kapawisan lang, wala ka sa araw.
Good morning. So we're heading to PP Island. It's 7 a.m. Diyos ko Lord, ang aga. Okay, pagbalita. Tara na. We're just waiting for our service. Mag-book si Kiel via Klook ng like, island hopping to PP Island. So, andayin lang namin yung service namin and also sila Ann. Yan, nandiyan na. And pababa na rin yung iba. I hope maaga sila nagising kasi we don't know. Ang aga na to, 7 a.m. See you sa PP Island na. Tutulog muna ako. Tulog pa yung diwa ko. Shit. Let's go.
We're still here, flipping coins about what's to come. It starts getting cold, and we don't know any way out of here. We try to understand how it all started to go wrong, but the sea is way too deep. Yeah, it's deeper than we could ever go, honey. We have to be together here in the stormy weather. So why do we hold on, even if it hurts so? It's breaking us apart.
So, we just signed up for Love These Pub Crawl. Ayan, we already have this one. We have a free tank top, 1 bucket, and 1 meal. So, very much exciting kasi ang dami palang mangyayari later tonight. Start at 7 p.m. and probably end at 2 a.m. Yeah, I'll just show you guys what will happen tonight. But today, it's a Monday. We have 1 more week to spend here in Thailand. Kaya, let's do it.
This is me before the pub crawl.
This is me bago masapak ng Kiauti.
This is me before the pub crawl. Fresh makeup and all.
This is me before the pub.
Iinom na siya. Alak na alam. This is me before the Patong Pub Crawl. Let's go!
We've been driving around, singing songs way too loud because we wanna. Picking up our love friends, fill up the car till it bends because we wanna. Yeah, we just wanna have fun. The trunk's full of wine. We're gonna stay up, have the time of our lives. The night is young, don't need anybody else.
So it's downtime. We already checked out. Here at Lobdi, and we're off to the next hostel, which is Caron Punaka Resort. What we did was we rented for a van, good for 6 to 8 packs here at Lobdi, which is they have this area. Ay, inaantay lang namin sila para maka-transfer na kami. It was really a fun night. Just to share with you what happened last night. It's a pub crawl, which happens every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So what we did last night was just went to parang 3 to 4 bars ata. Hindi ko na maalala. Free drinks sila dito before kami umalis. It's a wonderful night. We really enjoyed it. But yun, see you guys later. Dami ko na sinasabi. It's almost 7 minutes. So, hindi ko na ako pa na-edit to. But yeah, I'll see you guys. So we're now heading to our room. Wala si Kiel dahil naman nakalimutan ang kanyang bag. Ayan, we're just waiting for the ride. Kasi medyo mataas yung room namin, as in. Overlooking kami ng pool area and mountains daw. So, let's check later kung ano makikita natin doon. Wow! Madumi ako ngayon, but we are just ready to sleep. Sleep ulit! Pero yon, we are already here at Caron Punaka Resort. Iba na to, sa Patong Beach, iba na yon. So, another spot naman to, and I'll see you guys later. Magsisettle lang kami. Kasi napakainit. Nakakapagod. Yun lang. Bye-bye. So yeah, we're staying here at Caron Beach, and we have the view of the Big Buddha. So huge. Anyway, we're back to Hello. We're heading to the Big Buddha and we're excited to see it in person. Marami pa kami pupuntahan. Actually, magbe-beach pa kami. Yun, nakapag-check out na rin kami, and then we just rented the van para sa city tour namin. So, dun talaga yung look forward namin. Pero mas ang dami nangyayari. Ang dami nangyayari. So, pupunta na namin yun muna, and then we'll go to the beach. After that, we'll head back to the resort. Tapos, punta na kami sa airport dahil it's our flight back to Bangkok ulit. Tapos Singapore, and then Manila. Yun lang. It's Wednesday, so enjoy natin ang Wednesday natin. Happy hump day, everybody! So, let's go. Yes, let's go. Caron view. Oh my God. The view is so stunning. Look at this.
kayo.
Isa sa ano.
Because everyone's participating talaga and walang...
Sabi na yan mga to. Pili pa lang ako ng protector, binabaril na ako.